one wrong move, a vagina is out to play.
Oh, I can totally see your bottom.
It looks like a big fat schlong. See my belly button.
Okay.
Oh, it's like poo.
No, it does, doesn't it?
I can't believe that's a foundation. What are you doing?
I'm sitting back.
No, you've got to sit forward because we're absolutely focused on you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I look so sad. It's like... Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a video with my lovely mother Emma. She basically went on to Pretty Little Thing. I gave her a £300 budget to order me some night out clothes and we thought it would be really interesting to see what you would dress me in for ASMR. Okay.
Because you said you wanted going out stuff? Like
yeah.
Clubbing kind of stuff?
So this is
I thought
like...
that was very, very dressy kind of clubbing stuff.
This? Yeah, it's pretty. Do you know what? I would never have like picked this out for myself just because I think it's a bit boring.
Oh, okay.
But I just wouldn't have picked it out for myself, but I'm excited to try it on. I'm delicate, hun.
Okay.
Me right now.
Some are kind of going to the races or
it's
something.
Like I'm going
kind
to
of
the army.
No, you can choose it, but I just thought you'd look nice in it.
Okay. Not hit the club.
No.
Not hit the club.
No.
Okay, so it's kind of like a cargo-y sort of dress.
It's like a shirt
in a
dress sort of
khaki
thing.
colour. I'm not sure how I feel about the material. Yeah, I think that could be nice.
I'm not sure.
It's got potential.
Yeah, I think you're going to hate most things that I've chosen for
To be
you.
honest, What? Oh, that's really cool. I'm so impressed. I didn't think you'd choose something like that.
And I bought some bottoms to go with it as well.
That's so cool. This is really like Kardashian, Jenner vibes.
Okay.
Okay.
What are the bottoms?
Right, they're a really sort of dark red. Oh, they're a bit, yeah. They're a bit different to how they looked in the picture.
Okay.
In the picture they look more sort of dark burnt orange, whereas that's a more sort of pinky burgundy, isn't it?
I
So
feel
it
like
might be a
too that's
fail.
going to show the belly.
Okay.
Yes, I've seen this before and I really liked
like it?
I do really like it. My only
Dress, yes.
Yeah, my only concern with this, satin sometimes makes me look like a sausage wrapped in satin. It forgives nothing.
You can see your belly button through.
Nice.
I'm
Going
quite
out.
impressed so far. I thought you were going to dress me like a nun. What are they? Wide leg trousers?
Yeah, to go with something else.
Ooh! This is a beautiful colour.
That's what I thought.
I love this colour.
Beautiful, isn't it? Like a petrol blue.
That looks so nice tied. This looks cool.
Don't know what that is. Can't remember it.
Okay. My first problem is that literally all of it's just fallen off onto me. Look at my leg.
Oh my god.
I hope
Right.
you can
Oh,
see
that's
that.
pretty though.
Oh, that is really pretty. I enjoy, but
Yeah.
it is all come onto my leg. It's absolutely everywhere. Do you see that?
Well, you go out sparkly, come home
Yeah.
with twinkle toes.
Okay, next item. This is cool. I like the leopard. Is this a bodysuit? Oh.
And it kind of crosses over around your middle. That was actually to go with the black
Was it off
velvet.
the shoulder?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
cool.
that was to go with the black velvet
I'm
dress.
so impressed. Not just a little dress.
No, it's a skirt.
That's
Actually,
a skirt.
yes.
That's a dress.
That's a skirt, isn't it?
I think
Oh,
that's a
maybe
dress.
it's a dress.
It's nice though, but I feel like my boobs are gonna come through because it's quite see-through. I like it though. I feel like that'd be quite forgiving on the
Can't remember ordering that.
tummy.
That's the special one.
I like the colour. Nice green. Oh my
Special.
god. I can't even understand what you do with it.
Just wait till you put it on.
Bloody, I don't know how to. Hey, I don't know how. What is that? Look like the witch from Wicked.
Yeah. You look worse.
Oh, it's so shiny. Okay.
Yeah, so it's halter
What's a
neck.
horrid neckline?
Yeah. It's horrid all over.
Oh god.
So it's this dress and then you tie it at the front of your thighs and then you have this really long dangly thing down to your ankles.
It could
Yeah.
look really
It's
nice.
special.
It could be
It
the
couldn't.
it could be the knockout
The winning piece.
of it all.
I
Okay.
tell you what I'm most excited about. Right, what I think you will look really beautiful in. I love that. And yeah, I love that.
I also just want to apologise for how bad my tan is. My face is like 10 times darker than my neck, but what are you gonna do?
Ooh.
I don't like the trousers.
No?
They make my
That's
bum
fine.
flat. I
Good, good.
quite like the corset.
Yeah, I like it too.
The only
It
thing
really
is it's a
suits
bit
you.
suffocating on the
Chesticles.
but I like it. I think
it
with the
looks really
tan
nice.
look really nice. I just don't really like these. I like
Okay.
the way they snatch you in at the waist.
Yeah.
It's so nice, like all the way down.
Oh wow.
Wow.
That's really super lovely, isn't it?
Like it comes all the way down.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
So first outfit, thumbs up. What would you
Okay.
rate it?
Top, I'd give a 8.5 out of 10. Trousers, 7 out of 10. A saggy gusset going on.
Yeah, that's the other thing.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's a bit.
But it's, yeah, do you know what
So
though? It's
tight on
really
my
not very well
boobs.
made. There's bits of thread sort of hanging up around your shoulder and stuff.
Like if I had nothing else to wear on a night out, I'd be like,
It's very striking.
I'd be like, okay, but I just don't. I don't love it, and it's like cutting my boobs because
Okay.
it's like too tight.
Right, do you
That's
want
the
me to
annoying
undo
thing
it?
because everything fits, but now it's like, it's small, getting smaller.
Don't
Getting
rip,
s-
don't rip it.
Okay.
But you know, I don't think it's that bad. I think the
You can
colour.
see my belly button.
Okay.
You can see my eczema.
Look at these bumps. You got eczema?
I got what?
Got eczema?
I feel so. I've never felt more insecure in a dress. You can see every lump and bump. You can see my belly button.
Want to turn round? Yeah, colour's lovely on
It
you.
It should be double lined,
Yes,
but it's not. What would you rate it out of 10?
I would rate it a
3.
no. I would rate it if you had on sort of like some kind of proper underwear.
I don't wear proper underwear.
Yeah, I know, but like sort of super sportive. I would give it. I think you look nice in it. If you had the sort of undergarments, structured undergarments to go under it, I would give it a 6.5.
6.5.
I would.
Yeah, that was very well
I
thought
would.
over. Got to rate them individually, not
Yeah.
together. I'll take the shirt off.
Right, top. Quite like it. I like them.
Just make me out. Oh, trousers just make me look on the
They
side.
do look lovely.
What do you think of the shirt?
I love the shirt, but not with that.
No.
Not at all with what you're wearing. Yeah, love the shirt.
I
I'd love
love
to see
the
it with the
shirt.
jeans.
It's quite a unique colour. I think it's kind of a petrol blue.
Yeah.
So what would you rate the top?
I'd give that a 6 out of 10.
The trousers.
I'd give those a 6 out of 10. I think they're just like a little classic sort of trouser, aren't they? I'm just delighted if anything actually fits on me. You're lucky because everything fits you. They're too long, obviously.
Okay. Next outfit. Yeah, everything's too long from PLT.
But yeah, I think that looks really nice.
You just got to go.
And they'd be dead comfy too. Oh, I like that.
It's so.
Yeah.
One wrong move, a vagina is out to play. It's not overcomplicated.
No, it's nice.
I
Just a
feel
little
very
bit of
secure. I'm not wearing a
twinkle.
bra
Yeah.
either, and I feel like.
But like you say, the slit it's tight, isn't it? The skirt. It's
But
very
I
narrow.
prefer that because it's more flattering on the bum. It
Yeah.
looks a bit like I'm bursting out of it.
Yeah.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Because the slit it only gets 7. If the slit was different, it would get an 8.5, 9. Oh, nice! That looks
Summer.
gorgeous.
So easy, so comfortable.
Lunch, dinner,
Very classy, but also kind of cool.
Yeah.
Kardashian vibes.
really nice. Thing.
Ow, they really hurt. They're those buttons that hurt to get
Right,
in.
that
But
looks great.
I feel
gorgeous.
nice in it.
Yeah,
You
look
just put
brilliant.
something on and you just feel nice.
I'd give that a 10 out of 10. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. It's very elegant.
I don't like it from the side.
But, you know, with the shirt over the top, look.
Oh, yes.
But I think-
I like dresses like this because they're not bulky. They just show what's there.
Yeah. Very see-through, actually, that is at the back. You can see your pants.
Oh.
I can really see your
Yeah, you
pants.
can. Stop.
I can totally see your bottom.
Yeah. Best part is, doesn't even do.
You look like a rosette. Who would wear that?
Yeah.
Who has that going round there?
It looks like a big fat schlong.
Yes, I know. It's just like wrong. And as you walked, it would get caught up in your knee.
I mean, I'm sorry if you have this, but if you do, you need some sort of medical attention.
No, if you bought that, you want to ask for a refund.
End of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe. It's washing me out even more. Okay, she's left the room. I love you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all very soon. Bye.